In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a data source in Databox. This process is essential if you need to update the data source on a data board without starting from scratch, saving you time and effort while ensuring that your dashboards always reflect the most relevant data. So, let's dive right into it. You'll begin by navigating to the Databoards page in your Databox account. This section is your central hub for managing all the data boards you've created, so you'll want to start here because it's where all the action happens. Once you're on the data boards page, take a moment to scan through your list and identify the specific data board whose data source you want to change. It might help to have an idea of what you're looking for, especially if you have numerous data boards. Just click your way through until you spot the one you're interested in. Now, what you need to do is duplicate the data board. Why duplicate, you might ask? Well, duplicating creates a copy that allows you to make changes without altering the original setup. It's a great way to keep your original data intact while you experiment or make necessary adjustments. To duplicate, look for the three-dot menu. These three little dots are your gateway to content management options. Once you click them, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, just select Duplicate. Moving on to the duplication options, this is where the magic happens. You're going to be replacing the current data source using a feature aptly named Replace with Different Source. It's a straightforward process, but be sure to choose this option carefully because the new data source should reflect the information you intend to analyze in your updated data board. Clicking this will bring up a drop-down menu, presenting you with a list of potential data sources. Browse through this menu and select the new data source you wish to link to your data board. This is your chance to connect to a more suitable or current repository of data. With your new data source selected, it's time to finalize the duplication. Simply click on the green duplicate button, and this action will initiate the creation of your new data board with the updated data source seamlessly integrated. And there you have it. Your data board now reflects the data you need, keeping everything as accurate and relevant as possible. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your data board's data source without the hassle of starting from scratch. Congratulations on making your dashboard management more efficient and purposeful. Remember, practicing these steps a few times will help you become more familiar with the process and make future updates a breeze. Thank you for watching, and happy dashboard managing.